Hilda here, Hilda from HILDACRAFTY. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bottle using this cooking sheet. I had this lying in my house for quite some time, so I'm using this for today's project. I have taken a piece from here and I'll tear it into pieces. And what we're going to do today is we're going to use a little fire for the project. So we're going to take this paper and we'll just take it closely. Just touch and remove. Just touch and remove. Just like this. All over. Yes. So we're going to get a piece something like this. Just the corners will be burnt. I'll show you again. Just a little outline, that's it. So this is how you're going to get the paper. So now to stick the paper to a bottle, it's the same video as above. I'll put the link in the I button. The procedure remains the same. 1 tablespoon of glue to 1 tablespoon of water. Just mix using the flat brush again. I just apply the glue, put the paper again from center to outside. Everything is the same as in the video, which I'll put the link up like this. And I've made a lot of pieces, and for the top piece again, as usual, small pieces on the neck area like this. Just keep overlapping. You will be able to see the burnt piece even from that overlap area. Like this. So all over. If you find it difficult to do it at the top area, you can just wind a jute on this area. So this is how we're going to stick the paper. I've already done one like this all over the bottle. And since Father's Day is coming, so I thought I'll put some picture relating to Father's Day. So I googled some images for Father's Day, and I quite like this. World's coolest dad, and I have a hero I call Dad. So I want to apply this. Even this I tore randomly, and I have burnt the edges. For this, I just took a A4 white sheet and I downloaded and I printed. So I'll put the glue here on top. And I'll stick this in the center like this. And then I'll put glue again from center to outside, center to outside, center to outside. Center to outside. Like this. Now, if you want, I have another image, this one. If I can put one at the back, or more interesting, I thought I downloaded a car image, an old car image. I thought I'll put this here. So whichever image you want, and not necessarily for Father's Day, this can be for any occasion. You can leave the bottle just as it is. It looks lovely. Like this. Again, I've burnt all the corners because this will match with the bottle at the base of the bottle. So like this. And once it's dry, you can use this varnish on top of this. This is a spray varnish. You can go outside and just spray all over. And you can even leave it like this, because if you're not using water to clean the bottle, it can remain well like this. And if you want, you can use this varnish. I'll put a link in the description box. Now, if you're not very comfortable by burning the bottle, you can just tear these pieces and you can apply all over. And again, for this, I thought of using this image. For this, I've not burned the corners because I wanted to match with this bottle, which is plain, or like this. I'll stick and I'll put a picture up. And and if you are just a plant lover, you can cut any image you have from a magazine or download and you can stick this. I'll put a picture of this also after putting the light. It just looks nice as it is. So for this, after you put the light, it's going to look like this. I'll put an image again up. So it's like this. If you don't want to put the light, it just looks lovely as it is. So this is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you liked my video. Do tune in again, and till then, bye bye, take care, and I love you all.